चलो तो जाएगा फिर आप ले जाओ।
मेरा क्राइम क्या है? मेरा क्राइम क्या है? बताइए मेरा क्राइम क्या है? मेरा क्राइम क्या है? इसलिए
Social scientists and prominent activists were detained in a protest at Delhi, demanding immediate ceasefire for Palestine. The march, which started from Khan Market, was stopped by police as it headed towards the Israel embassy.
हम 144 हम वायलेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, रोड ब्लॉक नहीं कर रहे हैं। 140 की बात नहीं है मैम, नहीं 140 हम दो ही लोगों को क्यों पकड़ रहे हैं? 144 तो इधर नहीं है,
छोड़ दिए। 144 इधर नहीं है,
हाँ,
इधर 144 नहीं है ना, क्या अलाउ नहीं है? 144 नहीं है, 144 नहीं है। चलिए बैनर छोड़िए, आप बैनर नहीं टच कर सकते, बैनर छोड़िए।
नहीं
मैम ये मना कर रहे हैं ना मैम।
कौन मना कर रहे हैं?
कौन मना कर रहा है?
अरे रोकना भाई, उनको रोक यार। हैंड रोक को हाथापाई करवाने के लिए
आप कर रही है ना, आप कर रही है। अरे मुझे क्यों पकड़े? मैं अकेले नहीं जा सकती इधर।
144 नहीं है यहाँ पे, चलो हम चले के जाएंगे। 144 नहीं है यहाँ पे, चलिए।
Cops halted the protest near Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam crossing and detained the protesters, among whom were developmental economist John Drace and CPI leader Annie Raja.
He's just carrying a few banners. Unfortunately, the police has stopped us and brutally dragged us to this police van. But we will continue protesting against the genocide in Gaza and the complicity of the Indian government. Peaceful. It was very peaceful. We were just holding banners. We were trying to reach the Israel embassy without even shouting any slogans, without causing any inconvenience to the public. But even that they are not allowing because they are fully supporting the Israeli government and its war crimes. The Indian government is complicit in this genocide in multiple ways. It is sending arms to Israel. It is sending workers to Israel in replacement of Palestinian workers. It is suppressing protests in India, as you can see, and it is abstaining again and again in United Nations resolutions that are trying to restrain Israel. So the Indian government is hand in glove with these war crimes.
This is absolutely ridiculous. Look at the extent, like we were just walking in it's not a big mobilization, it is a very small mobilization, and we just wanted to send across a message that people of India are not with this massacre that is happening in Palestine by Israel. And look at the way Delhi police is reacting. This was actually a test. See how much they will serve the purpose of the masters. I mean, is Israel controlling Indian government? Why is it that holding a pro-Palestine solidarity, asking for ceasefire, something as simple as ceasefire in Palestine, is such a crime? Look at the violent way in which they are doing this.
Stop it immediately. That is what the people of India are demanding and asking the Israel government.
And as well as we are reminding to the Indian government, the policy of the Indian government was pro-Palestine, anti-war, pro-people, not for the arms, but the overall the Indian government's Modi Sarkar's policy is a pro-Israel, and even the Indian government are permitting the Indian companies to export the war ammunition to Israel, and they are using it on the Gaza's innocent children. That's why we are protesting here, and we are reminding to the Israeli government to stop this genocide, as well as reminding the Indian government, be back to our policy, and it is for the peace, not for the war.
द वायर के और वीडियोस देखने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करें। स्वतंत्र पत्रकारिता की आर्थिक मदद करने के लिए डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक पर जाएं और अपनी राशि चुनें।